Let's learn the pattern for easy learning. Forward stamp, swastikam stamp, jump, tap and lift, muzhamandi sit. Now the other side. Repeat the same.
Right side, left side. So we go for forward stamp, swastikam stamp, jump in sama. So if you're doing right side, right leg has to be lifted. So you tap your left, lift your right, and right it has to be number 4. It should not be like this. Number 4. And muzhamandi sit. When you get up, only halfway get up. Then forward, vertically straight, forward. Stamp, swastikam, stamp, jump. Now left leg has to be lifted. So opposite left tap. Tap and lift, muzhamandi sit. So hands are rainbow, forward, forward, touch the toe, forward. Stamp, swastikam, stamp, jump. Tap and lift, alapadnu. Muzhamandi sit, it becomes patakas. When you get up again, forward, stamp, swastikam, stamp, jump, tap, lift, muzhamandi sit. When you go inside, if you take right side, right becomes uchi, left becomes uchi. Other way around, this becomes uchi, this becomes uchi. Okay? Thank you.
How to master this tricky step? Let's see. Learn the pattern first. Then do the legs, right side and then left side. Then learn the hands, right again then the left. Then do together hands and legs, both right and left. Now first speed with pattern. Then second speed with pattern. Now get on to first speed with the thalam. Second speed with the thalam. Third speed, now get on to the pattern mode because third speed is difficult. You need to build up your stamina to sit and get up from muzhamandi to aramandi. Then third speed, once you're excelling the third speed with the pattern, now third speed with thalam. Once you're excelled all these 3 speeds, now do together with the pattern and then with the thalam. All the very best. Sollukattu for Nattadavu 8th step and thalam is Adi. Teyyum tat tat teyyum tam, teyyum tat tat teyyum tam, teyyum tat tat teyyum tam, teyyum tat tat teyyum tam.